Body देखो. Yeah. Shoulder. For shoulder, you can do like this, and bring the dumbbell down. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Fly like a butterfly for shoulder. Yes. Yeah. And bend little bit. Yeah. In that position, yeah. Yeah. That's it. That's still wrong, man. Wrong exercise. You are doing wrong exercise. Come on, brother. Brother, the dike look hot. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. All right. Yeah. African Amikishu versus Spartans.
No way. Not going. No way. No way. La 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 la.
Yeah, play full force. Come on.
No way.
Come on. Yeah, but quick. Yeah, play. Oh.
No way. La 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 la.
चलो लगाओ. The first round, Amikishu won. Tired?
No. We're going third round.
One more round.
One more round.
Now, let's see who wins.
2, 3, go.
Chalo. One, two, three. Two times.
Yes.
So, the winner is the winner.
Yay!
So your bicep once, right? Good.
Small but mighty, right?
Yeah.
Got it, bro.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, got
Before you
6
make this, you have to eat iron constantly. Faster, freak. You know,
faster.
you eat the iron. Make love to the iron.
Yeah.
You hustle, man.
Strong.
Oh,